Hello, students. I welcome you once again in this new session with a new topic that is the noun from your grammar. Today, we are going to read about your bookwork of this lesson. First, it is a homework, but it's a picture study. See, here is some pictures are given. It's a program of Sandy's holiday. So, who booked the ticket first? It's a Sandy. Where is he? Where did he fly on 30th of June? Delhi. Then which place did he visit on 1st July? It's the Red Fort. What did he buy from the Janpath? It's the shirts. What did he purchase on 3rd July? It's the shoes, bags and scarf. Which place did he visit the next day? It's the Connaught Place. Then whom did he meet on 5th July? It's an Aliana. And which place did he return on the 7th July? It's the Dehradun. Now, it's a homework which you have to do. See, I went to Big Bazaar. What you have to do? Fill in the blanks with the proper noun. So, as an example, I am giving you. I went to the Big Bazaar. The because the name of the shop you have to give, and took the basket. Then keep the item of the grocery in it. The shelves were full of attractively packaged items. I picked up Colgate because the toothpaste name you have to give. Colgate, toothpaste, a bottle of Kisan jam, a packet of Maggi noodles, Lux soap, Dairy Milk chocolates. Okay, now second is yesterday Paresh met Rahul, a very dear friend of his, at Fun Mall. He was there to buy pantaloon shirts. Paresh was there to watch movie. Welcome. The movie stars Akshay Kumar and Anil Kapoor are his favorite actors. Paresh had won the movie ticket in context against by Red FM, a famous radio channel. So now you can write in your own also. Okay, now we move to our next, that is a collective noun. First one is sentence is, you can see, a cage of jewels, a pack, second a colony of termites, a pack of cards, a clutch of eggs, then a tuft of grass, a choir of singers, a school of fish, a chef of corn, a litter of puppies, a quiver of arrows, a flight of stairs, a plague of locusts, then a gaggle of geese, a ream of paper, a bench of judges, a team of players, a gang of robbers. It's a adjective, anger, and we have to write the abstract noun. Angry is an anger. Then beautiful, beauty. Calm, calmness. Brilliant, brilliance. Cold, coldness. Confident, confidence. Elegant, elegance. Courageous, courage. Determination, determined, determination. Good, goodness. Honest, honesty. Humble, humbleness. Wise, wisdom. Sympathetic, sympathy. Then verb from abstract noun: decide, decision, laugh, laughter, obey, obedience, act, action, choose, choice, move, movement, think, thought, please, pleasure, judge, judgment, protect, protections, advise, advice, practice, practice. It's a C here. Practice, TISCE. Die, death. Succeed, success. Punish, punishment. See, sight. Depart, departure. Arrive, arrival. Then from noun to abstract noun. Scholar, scholarship. Leader, leadership. Poet, poetry. Hero, heroism. Portrait, patriot, patriotism. Mother, motherhood. Neighbor, neighborhood. Brother, brotherhood. Child, childhood. Friend, friendship. Now here fill in the blanks with an abstract noun formed from the word given in the bracket. The first one, Mother Teresa helped those who were suffering due to poorness or poverty. Abstract noun of poor. My little baby's laughs, it's a laughter. His achievement have been recognized by the government. Javed's laziness led to his failure. Sajid gave an emotional speech on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. Hema was known for her honesty. The judge showed his wisdom. Indian sportsperson has tasted success at the Commonwealth Game, and the old woman died of sadness. And several people have been taken ill due to heat. Now, see here, underline the material noun. The first one is the coffee, then cotton, water, wool. The shopkeeper placed jar of jam and sauce, steel dish, then plastic, milk and jute. So it's your homework. You have to do with your own. Underline the noun in the passage and write them in a correct column of the table. Table has been given you in the back side. So complete this work. We will once again meet you in the next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your